Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Rox-T Styles. So in this video I'm so excited because I'm gonna be showing you how you can fake a lace closure using a crochet hook, as well as sharing with you all of the equipment that you're gonna be needing to get like a beautiful wig. So if this sounds like something you might be interested in, then this is definitely the video you need to watch. I'm gonna be so detailed. So if you're interested, definitely do keep on watching. So this hair comes in like three bundles and a closure, and we won't be needing the closure for this hair because we'll be faking ours. So I just went straight ahead to cut my lace to the size that I want it to be, kind of like a 4x4 closure. And I'll be stitching this on the dome cap. Loves, please don't forget to give this video like a huge thumbs up. Yeah, I mean a huge one. Your girl really needs it right now. Yeah. Yeah, like I know you love me and I love you guys too, so please, please, please also click on the subscribe button. So once I was done with the sewing, I just went ahead to cut off every excess lace on the dome cap, and this is what it's looking like. As well as I'll be cutting off the dome cap beneath the lace closure just so it looks natural. I'll be starting off with the least hair, and I'll be securing all of that with my pins. These pins are really good and it will serve as a guide for beginners. Though I didn't start off with this because I don't know why, but though I can really, I'm not really used to sewing with these pins on. Maybe because I didn't start with them. But I really do recommend that you start off with the pins if you are a beginner. It will just help you have a straight line while you're sewing on your dome cap. So let's get to work. After sewing the weft 2 times at the back, I brought the weft in front. That way, when I flip my hair backwards. It doesn't show like sister you're putting on a wig. Like I see a lot of people that just sew their weft, take it back, and at the end of the day, by the time you flip your hair backwards, the front just don't look nice. This is the last bundle remaining out of my 3 bundles, because I've actually been sewing on 2 wefts. So I think I just played smart by using 1 weft in front. That way when I'm done sewing, I will just go back and fill in any excess space that we'll be having. So this is the interesting part, guys, for the closure. So I just cut off the tip and I stretched it just a bit. After I was done stretching, I just went ahead to comb off every tangles I might have gotten, and I did this part off camera. This is what the hair is looking like. Beautiful. And this is the part that my fingers can contain for the closure, long and short. You can use a concealer as a guide for you to know the center part of your hair before you start the closure. This is basically what I'm doing. I put the hook through the lace, pick 2 strands of hair, hook the hair and pass it through the lace, and I'll be repeating that again. I put the hook through the lace, pick 2 strands of hair, pass it through the lace, hook the hair and pass it through the lace. It looks very simple, but it's not really that hard, if that really makes sense. Like, this is the part where your body will tell you, like, girl, my body is aching, I need to rest. It looks very frustrating, when you start at first. God, you feel like giving up, but the end result, it's really worth it, guys. So what we're basically doing is just to hook through the lace, just like that, pick 2 strands of hair, pass it through the lace, hook the hair and pass it through the lace. That's all, guys. I believe if I can do this, then you guys can do even more. Just that satisfaction you get at the end, like, you've made something good. And this is what the hair is looking like after I was done with my closure. So we still have some filling to do. I just flipped the hair on the other side with my clip, so we can fill in that space we have behind the circles, so that way our black thread won't be visible. So I also hooking through the lace, and this time around we're not just picking 2 strands of hair, just a little quantity. Be sure to go around and do same for both sides. This is it, guys. We've come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If this video has been of help to you, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.